Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a landing page copy or the opt-in funnel copy by using the artificial intelligence. Okay, so here is the software I'm going to use. Okay, we called it GHL SaasKits AI. Okay, we will use this software to write the content. Okay, so we have two options to write. We can use the template. Okay, here is a template, or we can use the smart editor. Okay, so within the smart editor we still use the template, but this will give us the more flexibility to write and edit the content. Okay, because it has a long form editor. Okay, and we can rewrite content, and we can summarize, we can improve the writing and all other things. Okay, into the smart editor. Okay, so let me find out the lead magnet template. Here is it. Okay, so here's the lead magnet template. By using this template, we will actually generate the landing page copy and also the thank you page copy. Okay, so we need to put some information here. Okay, I already have the information, like for example, I'm going to make a opt-in funnel for a financial advisor. Okay, and he has a ebook that will be the lead magnet, and he will actually give away this ebook and he will collect lead. Okay, so the name of the lead magnet is the ultimate money management. Okay, so here is the name. I'm going to put it here, the lead magnet name, and the main goal is collect lead. Okay, so I will say lead magnet goal, collect leads. Okay, so this is our goal, and the type of lead magnet, we have the ebook. Okay, and the name of our ebook is, okay, let me put it here. My lead magnet is an ebook called the ultimate money management. Okay, so I will put this here. And then the target audience, is people age 25 to 35. Okay, so young professionals age 25 to 35, seeking to gain control over their finance and build wealth. Okay, so I will put this information into the target audience. And the desirable outcome, so the outcome is here is the outcome. Okay, empower individuals to effectively manage their money. Okay, so I will put this information. Okay, I'll put this information here. The target audience, I think I removed that. Let me put it here again. And the lead magnet. Okay, where is it? Now I will put the primary pain point. Okay, so the primary pain point, here is it. Feeling overwhelmed or uncertain about how to manage finance and plan for the future. Okay, this is the primary pain point. And the secondary pain point is struggling to break free from debt cycle and achieve long-term financial stability. Okay, this is the secondary pain point. Then I'll put value proposition. Okay, here is our value proposition. All those are very simple information, right? I'm just putting here. And then here's the value proposition, and I will put key benefits. I'll put 3 key benefits. Okay, here's 3 benefits I'm going to put here. Okay, so now let me just break down the lines. Yeah, here is it. And then the key message, here is the key message. I'm going to put take control of your financial future with the ultimate money management book, your roadmap to financial success. Okay, so this is our key message. And then at the last, I will put the call to action. The call to action is download your free copy now. Okay, so we just we can put this information only. Okay, and all those are deleted. Here is the call to action. So we already put all the information. Okay, so these are the only information we needed to put here. But in your case, if you want to use this AI to make your landing page copy, your lead magnet copy, then you can put your information. It can be the very simple like this, or you can elaborate it with your information. Okay, then we can also writing tone. We can change the writing tone, like we have lots of different tone, but I will keep professional. Okay, and then I will keep the creativity original, or we have some other option, but I will put it original, and then click this generate button. And now within few seconds it will generate the entire content for our landing page. Okay, so let's just wait a moment. Okay, so we have our lead magnet, all the content. Okay, so here's the headline. Let me make the headline a bit bigger, like put it is one. Okay, so everything should not be, oh my god, I think I missed. Okay, let me generate again. Okay, we have our content ready. So here's the headline: discover the secret to financial freedom in just 30 days. Okay, and then unlock the proven system that will skyrocket your wealth and transform your life. Okay, so these are the headline and sub-headline, and then the introduction section. Okay, so every section we have a headline and sub-headline, and then the description. Okay, so like introduction, take control of your financial future. The sub-headline, gain clarity and confidence in managing your finance. Okay, so, and also we have the description. So now we can also, if in some case we need to make changes, then we can do that inside this editor. Or if we want to rewrite in some text, for example this one I want to rewrite. Okay, so all you just need to click here. Okay, just select the text and then click rewrite. It will rewrite the text again. Okay, let's see how it's come. Yeah, here's it. So enable the key to achieving financial freedom in a mere month. Okay, so this is the rewrite option. Okay, all you just need to select and then click the rewrite. And also we have some other option like summarize content, improve writing. Okay, you see here the headline changed. Okay, so this way we can also improve our content if we need any changes. And again, if we can also do it manually in if we want. Okay, but here is all the section. Like let me break down the section. Okay, so the introduction section, here is it. The problem identification section. Okay, then the empathy and understanding section, then the introduce the solution, the benefits section. Okay, all the sections. And also we have the social proof. If you want to put the testimonials, here is the testimonials, the call to action. Okay, claim your spot now. Okay, then here is the thank you page. Okay, let me show you. Here's the thank you page copy. Okay, so this is actually a two-step opt-in funnel, where the first step is a landing page or the opt-in page, where people will put the information like their name, email address, phone number, whatever information you want to collect. And then the second step is the thank you page. Okay, so here is the thank you message. Thank you for joining us. Get ready to achieve financial success. The description. Okay, and all the information. So now by using this content, we can easily create our landing page. Okay, we can create our lead magnet funnel, and it's pretty simple and easy to use content, right? So this software has a lot of other template, like if we want to create sales funnels. Okay, sales funnel, let me find out. Okay, you see here sales letter funnel, and then long form sales letter, video sales letter. If you want to create webinar funnel, auto webinar funnel. Okay, so you can just create your content by using this AI tool. Okay, it's pretty easy. It's not just like any other AI tool where you just need to chat, or you need to put all lots of information, questions, lots of things. Okay, so it's a very straightforward AI tool. All users need to answer all those point, okay, that is asking, and then you will get a fully formatted good looking professional landing page copy. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, then feel free to subscribe our channel, because we are making this type of videos that helps people who actually are looking for the solution for their landing page, for their business growth, for their GoHighLevel things. Okay, so lots of other things we are covering. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.